Next model, different model. A sum of 500 rupees is in the form of denomination of 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. Okay, that the total amount contains only in 5 rupees and 10 rupees notes. Okay, if total number of notes is 90, that means 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. Totally we have 90 notes. Okay, find the number of notes of each denomination. That means how many 5 rupees notes available and how many 10 rupees notes in that particular amount. Okay, so solution here, number of 5 rupees notes and number of 10 rupees notes. Total notes are 90. Total amount equal to 500. So total notes. So number of 5 rupees notes, number of 10 rupees notes. Totally we have 90 notes. 90 notes. Okay. So do you know how many notes? How many 5 rupees notes? We don't know. Do you know how many 10 rupees notes? We don't know. They are unknown quantities. We don't know such numbers. Let us take number of 5 rupees notes. So you take one of the variable like x, and number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 90. This is plus x of transposition minus x. Okay, so number of 10 rupees notes equal to 90 minus x. Okay, total notes are 90. Okay, out of 90 notes, number of 90 notes already we consider x. Remaining notes means 90 minus x. They are 10 rupees notes. Okay, for example, we have 10 5 rupees notes. Number of 10 rupees notes are 80. 90 minus 10, that equal to 80. Okay, so let us take number of 5 rupees notes. B x. How many 5 rupees notes are there? Let us consider x. Okay. Total number of notes equal to 90. Now number of 10 rupee notes. Number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 90 minus x. How? Already explained it. 90 minus x. Okay, for example, in my pocket I have 10 5 rupee notes. 5 rupee notes. Okay, so total amount equal to 10 into 5, that equal 50 rupees. That means in my pocket I have 50 rupees. All are in 5 rupees. Okay, for example, in my pocket I have 20 10 rupee notes. 20 10 rupee notes. Okay, total amount equal to 20 into 10, that equal to 200. Okay, so for example, 5 rupee notes x, 10 rupee notes 90 minus x. For example, you have 10 5 rupees notes. For example, total amount 5 tens are 50 rupees. Okay, for example, you have 20 10 rupees notes. Okay, 20 10 rupees means total amount equal to, you have 20 into 10, 200 rupees. Total you have 250 rupees in your pocket, for example. But do you know how many notes? How many 5 rupees notes we have? Don't know. Let us consider x. Do you know how many 10 rupees notes? We don't know. Let us consider 90 minus x. Okay. So now you have to find out the product of 5 rupees notes. So 5 into x, 5x. So this is note, this is number of notes, this is amount. Okay. Note 10 rupees. Number of notes 90 minus 10. Okay, amount equal to 10 into 90 minus 6. just like 10 into 20. Here instead of 20 have 90 minus 6. So 10 into 90 minus 6. Okay, so this is known as amount. Okay, so total amount equal to 500. Okay, so total amount 500 means total amount of 5 rupees notes plus total amount of 10 rupees notes. Okay, total amount of 5 rupee notes plus total amount of 10 rupee notes is equal to how much? 500. Total amount. How many notes we have? How many 5 rupees notes we have? X into 5. 5x. Plus total means summation. How many 10 rupees notes you have? 90 minus 6. Amount means 10 into 90 minus 6. For example, you have 20 notes in your pocket. 10 into 20, you have 200 rupees in your pocket. So total amount equal to 5. So this is amount. This is number of notes. This is amount. Number of notes x. Each note carries how many rupees? 5. 5 into x. 90 minus x. Number of 10 rupees notes. Amount means 10 into 90 minus 6. Total amount equal to 500. We got one linear equation in one variable. We have to solve it and you get the value of x. That x indicates number of 5 rupees notes. Okay, 5x plus 10 into 90, 900, plus or minus, minus, positive quantity into negative quantity, negative quantity. 10 into x, 10x equal to 5. Okay, so plus 5 minus 10 that equal to minus 5x. This is plus 900. After transposition, it becomes minus 900. So minus 5x is equal to minus 400. Plus 500 minus 900 that equal to minus 400. So minus 5x means minus 5 into x. This is product quantity. After transposition, it becomes division. So that means x is equal to x equal to minus 400 by minus 4. Okay, negative signs cancel, remaining 5 ones are 580. So x equal to how much? 80. X means what? Number of 5 rupees notes. Number of 5 rupees notes, how many? 8. Therefore, number of 5 rupee notes equal to 8. Number of 10 rupee notes equal to how many? Out of 90, already 80 over. Remaining 10 notes only. That means 90 minus 6. 90 minus 80